Right, guys, just to let you know, I'm still alive. Had a good 6 months. But now it seems like all the schools and colleges are on summer break. So the web is like a ghost town. So there's no money coming in. I've still got my GoFundMe. So if you can drop a couple of pounds in that, and then maybe I can get my hair sorted. Oh my god, what's that big bald patch there? Like, whoa. Anyway, have a look at RaymondDugganTravel.com, RaymondDugganTravelBlog.com. Have a look at my other YouTube videos. Share them. If you can't give to my GoFundMe, then share it. I busted my ass off over the last 7 months trying to create content for you guys, so you can have some really good vacations. Anyway, I found an old laptop, 10-inch laptop or something, 11-inch, and the camera's working on it. It's Windows, so it's complete garbage. No speed, no processor. There's 2 seconds, as you can see. Yeah, you can see it's freezing. Yeah, you can see. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. 20 quid they want for a haircut. Anyway, I'm going because, yeah, these devices are doing my head in. Right, I'll be back when I get funded and when I get £200 for a new computer. It's not 400 now, it's down to 200, so keep the prices coming down, guys. Alright, talk to you soon. Love you all.